Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the FTSE futures for Tuesday, October 24. For the record, today is Monday, October 23. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So here I was wrong about this move, or I mean, I don't know yet if I was wrong. This can also be a flat structure. No, that would be kind of unlikely to have a flat here. But I think the bottom line here in the FTSE is that look at this price action. Um, yeah, I have to admit it's really difficult to forecast this. If I make a forecast, it is mainly based on the other indices, because we are moving very corrective here. We are just moving in three, and this opens the door to a lot of Elliott Wave counts. And so the truth is simply that I'm not really confident anymore about what I forecast in the FTSE, and therefore I think I will suspend my FTSE analysis for now, because I don't trade the FTSE myself because of this difficult structure. I try to use it as an indication, like on the lower time frame. It sometimes helps me to identify reversals in other indices, but the truth is, from like with this can be anything. From my higher time frame analysis, I also showed you that we might have a triangle, we might have a corrective wave too. So the higher time frame also does not really help us for now. So I think I will just publish an update as soon as I think it is relevant. But for now, like I would say, I think we might see some short-term upside in the other indices, and therefore I think the FTSE might also do this. But where this exactly will end, of which structure we will get, this is I do not really know. What could I think of right now? Could be that that we made our wave X right here. We are still in wave X area, and that we see from here some more upside. But I would only say this because of the other indices. This structure does not really help me. So as soon as I start to see things in the FTSE, I will make a video. But as long as this is not the case, I will simply wait by doing analysis on the FTSE. Like I told you, I don't trade it myself, so I also don't want you to make wrong decisions based on my analysis. I'm not really confident on the structures I'm proposing, so I think it's just better to suspend the FTSE analysis for now. And as soon as I start to see structure in the FTSE, or as soon as I'm confident about something, then I will share another video on the FTSE. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you later in another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.